Nature by Naira's Art Spiritual Movies, Aliens Episode 8. After years of being trapped behind the ice wall, Angelo finally reunites with his cousin Mario in a world that has completely changed. But peace does not last long. The men in black spread fear and panic across the world, feeding the powerful Archons with negative energy as chaos slowly rises again. Meanwhile, new lifeforms have emerged from beyond the melted ice wall. Two mysterious mermaids explore and admire their beautiful new surroundings, unaware of the dangers growing around them. As free beings now walk the earth for the first time, questions begin to rise about freedom, control, and the future of all living creatures. At the same time, Damien burns with revenge after the defeat of his brother, the Black Venom. Alicia, Mario, Sky, Benny, and the Tree Women may have won the last battle, but a greater storm is coming. Will the new world remain free, or fall back into darkness once again? The men in black have quite effectively provided a panic manipulation technique to sow fear so that the Archons could be fed. Everyone is once again sitting anxiously in front of the TV, listening to a deadly respiratory bacterium that has broken out in China.
Breath bacteria has broken out in China, and the death toll has risen to 150. A life-threatening rest disease has broken out in China. Infected survivors in isolated rooms fighting the deadly bacteria. Interrupt this broadcast for a critical health alert. Health officials are advising everyone to monitor the situation closely.
Health authorities are investigating an outbreak. Tragically, 50 people has died as speaking with someone. 50 people died as a result of speaking with respiratory bacteria.
A large number of survivors. We are receiving urgent updates about a deadly breath bacteria that has broken out in China. Health officials are investigating. A deadly breath bacteria has broken out in China, and health officials are reporting 150 deaths has broken out in China, sparking a global health alert. Health authorities are investigating. Over 50 deaths have already occurred. Receiving confirmed reports of a breath bacteria outbreak in China. Health officials are warning of toll risen to 150.
This world is getting crazier and crazier, Mario would say.
Mario, it really is me, Angelo!
Wow, Angelo, it really is you. It really is me, nephew. It's a long story.
Hello, everyone. I am Angelo.
Hello!
This is my new family and my beautiful wife, Alicia.
Soon they will begin to see the benefits of our presence.
The power starts acting strangely in the building. It doesn't look like a normal power outage. The lights are flickering on and off. The woman panics because of all the strange radiation in the air. She tries to see if she can turn off the air switch, but the light switch moves by itself. The woman sits up on her bed in fear and is scared to death by the screaming outside. Now that the ice wall has melted, the hidden life of other living beings on Earth has been broken free. The mermaids have both found a beautiful, separate spot to rest soundly. The two sisters are free and know that they will find each other again soon. They sleep without worry now that they realize that their captivity is over.
Free and no longer isolated from the rest of the world behind the ice wall. Right, now it is time to go explore the new world. It's so wonderful here. Freedom at last. Let's see what beautiful places I can admire here.
Damien is furious, but he immediately sets out in search of human flesh to feed the Goatman. His quest for prey lands him in a new world unknown to him. Damien moves across the rooftops of tall apartment buildings.
The Goatman was right. Fresh meat is always nearby.
The sauropod has made a long journey and does not know where he has ended up. The buildings are strange to him. But his presence is terrifying and strange to others.
The night outside looks different.
There are glares, but not a drop of rain can fall from the sky.
I'm definitely opening that bottle of red wine when we get home.
That sounds perfect. I could use a glass.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Lily sees strange objects that she has never seen before, but she finds it beautiful.
Finds it a beautiful object, but only thinks it is a pity that there is no seawater in it.
Visitors must wear masks strictly.
Yes, and no one is allowed to leave.
Please wear your mask properly. No one is allowed to leave the hospital until we confirm it's deadly. We must isolate everyone immediately.
Is this enough as a sacrifice? Go away. I'll tell you later.
Please don't kill us.
Of course this isn't enough, Damien!
Damien, feed the goat man with the living flesh of humanity.
Let us go. Thank you, Obala. Don't I assert your truth.
Shh. Be quiet.
Cannot let Damien go now. Let's go!
Of course this isn't enough, Damien!